Hey, Anderson. Hey, buddy. What do you think? What do you think? This is your first Christmas tree. It's beautiful.
All right.
There's Mom.
Let's get our ornaments out. Should I vacuum around it now or after we do ornaments? After we do ornaments.
What do you think?
What do you think?
This is all very new to me. How Mom dances.
No, we're not going to be Mom's date dancing.
What do you think? This is Christmas time coming soon.